Hey girls, let's talk about something super important, yet often ignored. Bikini line care and natural vaginal fitness. Like, why is it always hush hush? Our bodies are amazing and keeping everything in tip-top shape shouldn't be taboo. Whether it's about avoiding bumps, staying fresh, or just feeling confident, we've got you covered with 4 simple natural remedies to keep things smooth, clean, and healthy. Get ready to say hello to a happy, healthy you. Okay, first up, we gotta talk about exfoliation. Imagine this. You're about to head out in your cutest swimsuit, feeling like a total beach goddess. But wait, those pesky little bumps and ingrown hairs are back to crash the party. Not cute. But don't worry, babes, we've got your back. We're going au natural with this one. Grab your brown sugar, yes, the one in your pantry, and mix it with some coconut oil. It's like a tropical vacation for your skin. Gently massage this sweet treat onto your bikini line using circular motions. It's like giving your skin a mini spa day. Do this twice a week and you'll be saying goodbye to those bumps and hello to smooth, glowing skin. We've all been there. You're fresh out of the shower after a hair removal session and your skin feels like it's on fire. Redness, irritation, the works. But hold on. Before you swear off hair removal forever, let me introduce you to your new BFF, the Natural Soothing Mask. This is where things get seriously zen. We're talking aloe vera gel. You know, the plant that magically fixes everything. Mixed with a dollop of plain yogurt, it's like a calming smoothie for your skin. Apply this magical concoction to your bikini area and let it chill for 10 minutes. Then rinse it off with cool water and get ready to experience the magic. This mask is like a soothing hug for your skin, keeping it hydrated and happy, especially those sensitive areas. Chapter 3, Vaginal Fitness. It's a thing and it's amazing. Let's talk about our amazing vaginas. Did you know they're like self-cleaning ovens? Seriously, they know how to take care of themselves. But just like we give our ovens a little extra TLC, our vaginas deserve some love too. And the key to a happy, healthy vagina is balance, my friends. Drinking plenty of water is like giving your vagina a refreshing bath from the inside out. And if you want to up your hydration game, try sipping on some herbal teas like chamomile or green tea. It's like a spa day for your lady parts. Chapter 4, Coconut Oil, not just for your Instagram food pics. Okay, we've talked about exfoliation, soothing masks, and keeping things balanced, but we can't forget about the holy grail of skincare moisturization. And guess what? You don't need a fancy expensive lotion for this. We're keeping it real with our good friend coconut oil. Yes, the same coconut oil you use to make your hair look fabulous can also work wonders on your bikini line. Just a tiny bit applied daily will banish dryness and keep things smooth and happy down there. Plus, you'll smell like a tropical paradise. Who needs perfume when you have coconut oil, right? You've got this. So, there you have it. 4 easy natural ways to take care of your bikini line and vagina health. Remember, confidence starts with feeling great in your skin. And when you feel good, you radiate confidence. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the love for natural self-care. See you in the next one.